Good evening. Happy 18th birthday. Kaya thank you sa tanan nga nagtungan. Mga past na itong kagibuhan, mga kabuhan na ito. Then, sa siya kayo if dili kita sa mga join karon ka college na. I wish you more blessings to come. Then, I love you so much. Then, I so miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sam. 18 na din ka. Okay. All I wish is more blessings to come. Then, I remember the first day sa class.
Oh my God!
And now people say, so tiny ka, cute ka. I forgot if backpack ba ang folder ba yung dapat sa daghan ka?
Your mama may nagdahon.
Dapat daghan di mo books. Yung first, toothpaste ha? First day of school, what? Excited masyado. Bitaw, first day sa class, pag-high school na tunan ka. I hope karon na, hapon ka. I pray all the best. Sige, sa mga friends yan, ato na nagsanto. Sige, sige. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hello fans, happy 18th birthday. Wala ko mastorya kay karang usually ikaw man jay mastorya kay tabian mo jay nga. So karang I pray di ka mausap, friendly ka kay ka. Sa imong life sa college, I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa amon. Hindi may ganaran ni deliver ni para nimo. Love you. Day.
Birthday ba? 8 na ka. 18.
Lawan mo girls man yung
Ito, happy birthday.
God bless. Ang mataas na kanya. Ayun, nagkikit yung ngipon na.
Ding! Door na ka na. Ayun, tinatanong ko yung mga yun. Ayan. Stay as you are. Yan. One.
Nothing misunderstanding. Mag-awli rin ang punta. Happy birthday.
I wish you have always.
Yes.
Hi sis, happy birthday. We knew each other for 3 years and yet we haven't hung out for some time. I'm just looking forward to know you more and I know and everyone knows that you're a nice person. Welcome to the world filled with fun and occupied with adults. May all your dreams and fantasies come true. You're an adult now. Here's to yet another year of blessings. Remember to act mature. Happy 18th birthday, Jordan.
Tara, happy birthday. We all know that today is your very special day and I hope you remember the first time we met 5 or 6 years ago. We were very witty and very friendly then. As time passed by, I figured that we were fashionable, charming, and very talented at dancing. But now, I figured out that we're not only pretty but also very beautiful. I pray that from this day, God will always bless you in your way to womanhood and to your path to becoming Justin Bieber's wife. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Tara. Congratulations, you're finally legal. I'm proud to say that you've now reached a new chapter in life, which is adulthood. I remember we first met last June 2012 when Shane introduced us each other at the World of Fun of playing PIU. You were charming, friendly, sweet, and very comfortable to be around with. I wish you good fortune, freedom with responsibility, and fun-filled adventures ahead of you. Happy birthday and may God bless you always.
Hi, Ate Cara. I'm so thankful that I met you. Happy na kayo join ko sa dance workshop kayo. Bako niya ang feeling makita o ate o kahit mag-love. Thank you for all the lovers, especially at home. Don't English girls. Wish you all the best and I love you. Happy birthday.
for 1 month, but you've already been part of my life. Di ko kalungkatawanan sa pagkakto, di nag-English, pero di ko kayo nothing more to say. Stay pretty, cool, and friendly. I wish you good health and successful future. Happy birthday, Captain. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings. Happy birthday.
Take care and God bless. And we love you.
Hi, Pat. Happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship and sa younger ka na po, thank you sa mga advices na yung imahatag na char. Then, happy 5th birthday and I love you.
Hi, Bud. Your birthday. Kan, message mo kayo. Sento yung sanan ko. I hope na di ka mag-stop na stay sweet, stay healthy. God bless and more birthdays.
Good evening, Nina. Happy birthday. Thankful ko na nakailan ni Karen. First day pa lang sa sila. Kami na, bilangkon kay kami. Sila ko. Ito din ko parang narami permi sa sila. Sabi na permi mag-puyo. So, stay pretty and humble din. But always remember na you're perfectly and wonderfully made by God.
Thank you for always welcoming me in your viral cheerfulness. You have now reached the point where you will not be treated as a child anymore. So, as you celebrate more birthdays and grow up, make sure that you grow up together. And always be your mom's source of smile, and don't forget that you'll always be her little girl. I wish you the perseverance to live your life to the fullest.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, ladies.